Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ERBB. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Did this one a couple days ago on after this big day here, and then yesterday you can see that consolidation period right there, and then today just a monster day. There was a nicely formed advertising program that was out on it today, so you can see it certainly did bring in the eyeballs and got the price all the way up to where it is now. These lines you see here were from the last time I did the video, and like I said, I just did it a couple days ago, so if you go back and look through the video archives, you can find that one. So what I want to just do is update the chart. Not too much new to say, but there are a couple crucial updates that need to be made, and hopefully that'll answer most of the questions and requests that I've gotten on it over the course of today. So first thing I want to do is this red line here was a resistance going in today, and that level was right around the 0069 area, 007 James Bond level. But now that the price is above it and has, more importantly, closed above it, this needs to now be turned into a support level. So this goes from red to green to represent support. So 007 James Bond is the newest level of support on the chart. And right along with that, you can see this purple line here, which I talked about in the last video, how it had acted as a resistance. You can see 2 days in a row, basically kept the price down. But now that the price is above it, it is now a level of support. Along those same lines, I'm just going to get rid of this support level because while it is, yes, still a level of support, try to make this chart relatively as clean as possible. And I'm also going to get rid of this support too, and we'll just focus after 007 and the 50-day simple moving average. I would just use these two moving averages here, the blue line being the 10-day simple moving average, the gray line being the 20-day simple moving average, as your newest levels of support. So again, the newest level up here at 50-day simple moving average, 007 James Bond, and then the next couple areas that I'd use as support are these moving averages down here. Now in terms of resistance levels, this one up here still stands at a penny. No surprise there, it's going to be a technical one and psychological one, as you'll see that pretty much across the board. But with this upwards move in volume, I do want to get at least one more resistance mapped out in case you get another monster day and this one gets broken. After a penny, the next area of resistance is going to be right up here, and we'll call that level at 0.0125. So change that to red, and then I'll explain where that comes from. But if we look back through the history of the chart, you can see it acted as a resistance there, and then when the price did get above it, made a nice move, and then when the price dropped below it, you can see it acted as resistance there, and then once again right there. So 0.0125 is the next level of resistance after the 0.01 area. But great day, great volume, nice price reaction. So now going forward, it's just a matter of making sure that it keeps on putting in higher lows. And as long as that's the case, you'll be able to draw those uptrend lines, and that's the name of the game. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for our newsletter up there. And when you do that, as you'll see, you'll get a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about technical analysis and charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader and make an investment into your education as a trader, I'd encourage you to click down there and look at our video course, over 8.5 hours of video and teaching. Been getting great third-party reviews, so I'd encourage you to check it out and give it a try. One more time, this was ERBB. Thanks for listening.